Okay, so with your basic sword cut, when you hold the sword, you want to hold it across the palm. Okay, so your right hand is all the way at the top near the guard, or where the guard should be, and the bottom hand, the left hand, is all the way at the bottom of the palm. Okay? When you do this, your left hand is kind of the power hand, the driver. So the right hand just kind of guides where the sword goes, and the left hand pulls to create the cut, okay? So there's a dynamic between the left hand and the right hand. The right hand is kind of the push, the left hand is the pull, but this is more the guiding hand, and this is more the power hand. So that when I cut, it's cutting like that, okay? So for example, when you cut in Japanese Budo, this posture, this kamae posture, is called jodan, so upper level posture. And from here, as I go to step forward, I'm cutting, I'm doing this push-pull cut with my sword, okay? When you cut, you actually want the sword to cut a little bit before the step, okay? So there's a little pulling, the sword pulling you, right? So when we're talking about our connection, the center connected to the sword, we are allowing this pull, the center to pull us, right? The sword, sorry, to pull us into the cut, okay? So your basic, remember, you can cut at any angle, it's just changing the configuration of how of the blade, right? So cutting any direction, any angle, okay? So I hope that's a good primer. This is kind of like a very, very short introduction. There's obviously, you know, entire systems built on sword cutting. So, but for the purposes of this class, this advanced internal power training, let's learn how to use the sword as an extension, not just of our body, but of our center. And, you know, practice the basic cut. So you can actually just do the basic cut in kind of a modified horse stance and just work this practice. So if you like, you can squat with it. So come up, come down, cut. Make sure that you're integrating your movement and staying connected center to your sword. All right, hope that helps you, Paul. If there's any questions, let me know. Happy to clarify.